Estevan from Chemistry Cache here with an IB short. Today we're looking at the homologous series. A homologous series is a series of compounds of the same family with the same general formula, which differ from each other by a common structural unit. So I want to look at that. And to do that, we are going to look at the first 6 alkanes, and they are named methane, ethane, propane, pentane, hexane, and they increase every time with 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. Let me demonstrate that. So if I have methane, which has 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens, and I change that into ethane with 2 carbons. Of course, carbon always has 4 bonds. It has covalence 4 bonds. What we see is we have added 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. Let me just put a little red square around that. Yeah, so this is CH2, which we could also denote as a CH2. This is common structural unit with which the homologous series increases every time. Yeah. Let's look at the general formula for a second. Yeah, and let's say we have 1 carbon, we have 2 hydrogens up and down, and 1 at the beginning and what at the end. So that's for 1 carbon. Of course, we could also have 2 carbons. And then again, we add the hydrogens needed to fulfill the covalence of 4. But we could also do this for, let's say, n carbons. Don't know how many that is, but we do know that it's an integer. And of course, we also have hydrogens up and down and to the side. So let's see how many hydrogens we have going up. We have 1, 2, n, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 n hydrogens going up. And the same goes for the hydrogens going down, 1, 2, and 2 n hydrogens going down. And then we have 1 hydrogen at the beginning and 1 hydrogen at the end. If we transfer this into a formula, we can basically state that we have n carbons, and that we have hydrogens, we have n going up and n going, so we have 2n going up and down, and we have 1 hydrogen at the beginning of the and at the end. So that makes the general formula for the alkanes CnH2n plus 2. Thank you. See you soon.